Hello! In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to generate our dialog files, as well as start to see how the dialog is working. But first, you will need a text editor. So I will be using Notepad++. And you will also need a sound editor. And for this, I will use Audacity. So I will put the link in the description and let you prepare everything. We are in the dialog file. You will find the dialog file of Laura in tutorial, DLG, tutorial map, Laura. So I will open also the map. So this is a tutorial map 2, where is Laura. And in fact, when you have this property, dialog name, that means that the character is able to speak like it will have a speech. And here you find the path of the corresponding dialog. Please be aware that the target name, the dialog name, and basically all the, let's say, folder that will contain the line should be called the same. So in our case, it's laura.dlg. Here our target name is Laura. Dialog name, okay, laura.dlg. And we will see after for the sound. So that's how you set up the dialog. Like in Hammer, it's the same. You just browse and select the dialog. And here, when you open it, you have this. We will see how it's working a bit later. But let's say that to have like a line, like the sound, the lip, and sometimes animation that are associated, you need to basically create 3 files per sentence. What I mean is, here you have the sentence of the NPC. Like this is the line. And here it's the number of the sequence. This line corresponds to 3 files, like an audio file, a VCD, which is the same, and the lip file, which is the lip synchronization. When there is the same line, you just need to generate the 3 files. Here it's for the male character, and here it's for female character, female. And after you could have for Nosferatu and Ventru as well. You need to have the 3 files for each line. So if you have, let's say, a dude and a princess, so that's 3 files for a dude and 3 files for a princess. So we will now learn how to generate those 3 files. For generating the audio, I am using ElevenLabs. But you can use also voice maker. Basically, there is like some really good AI tools to generate audio. And so this is not like a tutorial on ElevenLabs, but basically they are simple. So here I am I have a paid account, so you might it could change. Here you have simple or advanced. Here you can change the model. Here you have the different settings that you can play with, and you can change your voice here and pick any voice. So what I do usually, I'm working in batch and I generate all the audio file in a row. Up, we go to Laura dialog, and then I do generate speech.
Hello, could you please help me? I need a tire iron.
Okay, that's fine. And here I can download. Okay, and I switch back to one. And I made an English mistake.
Oh, thank you. Ooh, thank you.
Better. So up. And then
Yes.
up. Perfect. Here I have my 3 lines. And now we will generate the lip and the corresponding VCD. Okay. When you have downloaded all the files, you copy or cut everything and you put them in the tutorial, sound, character, DLG, tutorial map, LoRa. That's basically where all the lines are stored. We will rename them accordingly. So I know that my first line is hello, could you please help me? I need a tire run. So this is the longest one. So this is F2 for rename, F2 and Ctrl V. Okay. Line 11. Line 21. Okay. So now everything has the same naming convention. Then we will edit the VCD, which is send the expression, the facial expression line with the duration of the sound. So let's open the VCD in Notepad++. Okay. And then let's open the MP3 with Audacity. So a note, if you download, like if your AI software convert them in another format that 44-100, you need to convert them. And Audacity, you can do this, like you just select here the format and you do file, export in MP3, and then after you put it where you want. So I'm not going to do this because it's already in 44-100. To know the duration, I do select all, and here I have basically the duration 4415. So okay, 4415. Here I put 4415. Here the actor is LoRa. This is our NPC. Here that's the speech line. So you put always the time of the duration of the MP3. So here you could put WAV or MP3, like both are working. If I want, I do MP3. And here it's always like line 1 equal with E. So basically that's the same naming convention. After you could have some gesture, expression, speech trigger. So we are going to leave this one just for testing. And you can have plenty of things in the VCD. For example, here it's a VCD of Lacroix. So you see, like this is speech. This is a gesture. So some NPC have a dedicated animation, and this is the speech trigger. So silence. You could have silence or loud, and then after you can use expression like sad. Raise both I can't remember in English, obviously. But you have plenty of expression. So you can play a lot with the facial expression. We will keep it simple, so we will keep it just like this. And I save it up, then I can close this one, and I close it. And I redo the same for everything. So for the 3 lines, select all, okay, 1, 3, 8, 4. I'm going to remove everything. I save. So 731. I will leave this one with web. When this is done, we are going to generate the lip. To generate the lip, we open the Bloodlines SDK, then lip VCD editor, and it will ask you, it will show you this message. So we will select MP3 and the 3. Open. Basically, in this mode, it is in lip editor. So it shows this, like this window, this message. It asks for a name, for a speaker name. So we will put Laura. Okay. And everything is ready. So we will do the first one. You double click to open it. Then you do re-extract, and then you open your dialog, and that's this one. Ctrl C, up, phrase. Basically I remove the punctuation just to be sure, because that's just a word. And then you do OK. Then commit extraction, and then export data to lip. You go on folder, up, tutorial, sound, character, DLG, tutorial map, Laura. OK. And here, so that's the 11, F2, Ctrl C. Ctrl V, dot, lip, save. Then you double click on the next line, and you don't need to save the change. No. Re-extract the dialog. Ctrl C, the sentence, up, commit extraction, export data to lib. Here, if I do L, at least I have a lib, line 1, save, and then the last one, no, re-extract, okay, commit extraction, export data to lib. And that's the 21. Okay, so we can close this then. Now we are going to create the subtitles. You select the lib file, right click, edit subtitles. Here it asks you for the subtitles, so you reopen the dialog. Ctrl commit. Laura. Okay. Next one. Ctrl C. There is a lot of Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Commit. Then the last one. Now we have our 3 lib files. This is for the lib synchronization, the 3 sound files, and the 3 facial expression. We will check, we will cross-check the lib file, because by default, in fact, a lib file, so you see here, this is a line, and it's got the line in word, and each word is separated. And here you have the closed caption, subtitles, and here you need to put voice duck to 1. Okay. And voice duck, in fact, that means it starts at full volume. Line 1 done. Up. So we have everything. And here, in fact, it's for example, when you finish a conversation, but you don't reply. Like basically, he finish with his line. So you have the line that appear top left corner, and this is the name that is displayed. So I'll just put a capital L. Ctrl S. 1, voice duck 1. And we are good to go. We are going to test. I will see you in game for the test. Here we are in front of Laura, and let's see how it works.
Hello. Could you please help me? I need a tire iron.
Yes.
Ooh, thank you.
You are welcome. So it's working. We have our lines that are effective. So let's go back to the dialogue, and I will explain a bit how the dialogue is working. Okay, see you in dialogue. Okay, we are in dialogue. I realize that I've made a little mistake in the dialogue, but it's still working. We are going to correct it. So to know the line that it needs to start, you have at the bottom of the dialogue the starting condition. Here I made a mistake because that's 91, and the 91 line is not existing. So basically it's taking the first line. So we will put here, we will remove the 9, and we'll put 1. And here I will put 21. So NPCs dot timestalk equal 1 means that this is the first time that you speak with the NPC in the map. Which means that if you have one NPC in one map and then the same NPC in another map, you have to be careful because Stake has two different NPC. So the NPC timestalk equal 1 will work. So you need to have a different condition. And the above 1 made a small mistake as well. And above 1 means that you have speak with the NPC more than 1. This is the starting condition, and then after you can add multiple starting conditions. So the first time you speak with the NPC, you will go to line 1, and the NPC will say this line, and with this disposition. NPC set disposition is, let's say, the default disposition. So you have neutral, joy, anger, sad. You have different types. So the player will have these two choices depending on the line. Basically, it goes to first line and then it displays the choice. In fact, you have choice until you meet again the slash. Be careful because you can only display 4 choices per page. So you need to filter this if you have more than. So for example, dominate, seduction, female seduction, male seduction, like all these sort of things. Oh, a line is defined. Here you have the answer, like male, female, where it goes. In this case, if I answer yes, it goes to oh, thank you. Then you have the condition, at which condition the line is displayed. So for both cases, it's all the time. And then you can add some execution. Here, if I say no sorry, so I don't want to help Laura, Laura won't speak with me anymore. That the NPC will talk set to 0. Then if you want to be able to speak to the NPC, you need to do will talk set to 1. So when we go to the 11, then it says 11, oh thank you, with another disposition. And when you need to finish the conversation, you just put 0. 0 means that it's totally finished the conversation. Then after it will go to 21 because that's more than one time that you speak. So we will test this in game, and I'll see you in game. We are in the front of Laura again, and let's try it.
Hello, could you please help me? I need a tire iron.
Yes.
Ooh, thank you.
And then
Yes.
we have our dialogue that is working, and we have a small error. And we will correct them in the next tutorial when we will introduce quest and we will clean a bit the dialog of LoRa to have everything working. Last note, in the moddev guide, starting line 2135, you have big part related to dialogs. So don't hesitate if you need complementary information to have a look. There is a lot of things inside. See you!